Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Facebook account with Bluebase. If you want to do so, first of all just go to Play Store. Alright, so after going here on Play Store, search here an application Facebook and use that is Facebook official application. Don't use Facebook Lite, so use Facebook official application. If your application isn't updated yet, just update it. So my application is already updated. Then click on here on your application, then click on open. Right now you can see it's my Facebook, and you will find such kind of interface whenever you come here on your Facebook application. Then at the top of the side you can find here three dot line, so just click on three dot line, then scroll down, and at the bottom of the side you can find here help and support, so just click on it. Next you can find here help center. Alright, so you will find here help center and search here how to verify my account or how to verify Bluebase. Then you can find here a number of options here. So guys, before going to the process, I'm gonna ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Alright, then click on here in first one, request a verified Bluebase on Facebook. Then you can find here a number of options, Bluebase or something else. Then at the bottom of the side you can find here verify your profile or page. Then you can fill out this form to verify your profile or page. First of all, you have to fill out this form, then you can verify your account. So just click on here, that is fill out this form. This is the most important, and watch carefully here. Then at the top of the side you can find here what are you verifying. So I am going to verify my profile, so select profile. Then you can find here that is you need some document, that is just click on here or for selecting. So I'm going to select the national ID card or national identification card, or it is also called NID card. Select here. Next you have to give here that is your document proof. So I'm going to give here my cards. So you can use whatever you like, your cards or your anything else. So I have selected this one. Next you can find here category. So what's your category? Select which category do you like. So here I will select that is digital creator, this one. Next you have to select here region. So I'm going to give here region, that is Bangladesh. You can select your region. Then audience optional, as known as, it is also optional. So I'm gonna select here that is known as. So I just select here that is I'm a famous person. Then it is also another, it is most important, you have to select here first social media account and link one. You have to give here if you have any kind of website or if you have any kind of personal blog, you can give here link. Link 2, you have to give here Twitter account link. Link 3, you have to give here Instagram account link. Link 4, you have to give here any kind of social media like TikTok or anything else that's most related to this account, you can give here. 5 you can give here whatever you like. So I'm going to give here on my account, that is in Twitter, www.twitter.com. then next I'm going to select here Instagram account, and you can select one by one everything. After giving the, just click on here at the bottom of the side, you can find a send option, so just click on send. Whenever you send it, then you can find here that is your message has been sent here. So after getting sent, you will get a notification soon. Here on your notification box you will find here a notification. So whenever you get notification, they will notify you that is what you have to do, or if it's right, then you'll find this verification option. So thank you so much for watching my video.